First, the top stories. First session of the 12th State Legislative Assembly concludes today. MLA K. Ranjit calls the attention of Sapo indefinite ban and Chief Minister assures for negotiation. Father kills own son and daughter, stab his wife. And India reported 1,616 new COVID-19 cases and 4,100 deaths in the last 24 hours. Hello and welcome to ELITETV. You're watching the 3 p.m. English news. I'm Sanatombi and these are the latest news and updates. Before giving you the news, we request you to follow the SOP given by the government. Wear face mask when out in public, wash hands regularly, and maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet between one person and another. ELITETV requests you to get vaccinated in time to protect ourselves from this virus and play your part in the fight against COVID-19. Now the news in detail. The 3-day State Legislative Assembly session, which begins on 24th March, concluded today. On the last day of the session, Chief Minister Nongthombam Singh tabled the Manipur Nursing Council Rules 2008 to the House. Chief Minister Nongthombam Singh also moves to consider and pass the Manipur Appropriation No. 1 Bill 2022 and Manipur Appropriation No. 2 Bill 2022 on the last and concluding day of the session. On the other hand, in his calling attention motion, MLA K. Ranjit calls the attention of Chief Minister on the indefinite ban or blockade of National Highway No. 2 called by the Southern Angami Public Organization. He questioned the status of the long-pending boundary issue with regard to the Juko Valley and further urged the government for a complete solution on the said issue.
Highway ban the counter blockade all Assam Youth Association Assam counter blockades warnings Tan Kunga Matu the Kunga continue to National Protection Force Center the Hanga, was put up the Hanga, Sindika, Simuso Economia. Other Sarmasi, Toya Sumana, Mahuta, Yaragadi, I say interest, I don't even see Yamu, the Yusaka, Secretary Sulopi, Lobon Sukoi, was once for all of the Yaragadi Assembly Pamina, was he wired from a boundary commission, Semio Hela, Marat Sakada, House with Ayama, Satara, and the state any Canada, the state any boundaries, you see, solution for privacy. Government of India intervene Dakar legally, but the state any Honorable Chief Minister, Kauna Fana, was he legally, technically, Jab Java, Wakal on the Girgati, Yaragati State interest House Naware Longsi, Karam Naware, Bharat Sarkana, Boundary Commission of the Sambira, was he once for all under the Loyal, yet of the say, and it will be you recently.
Meanwhile, responding to the attention drawn by MLA K. Ranjit, leader of the House, Chief Minister and Biren Singh stated that his government is trying their level best to bring a resolution to the long-standing issue. He further asserted that there is no issue with respect to boundary between the state of Manipur and Nagaland and mentioned that 2/3 of the Juko Valley have been clearly credited to Manipur. And Biren also highlighted the construction of a 15-kilometer long road in the Juko Valley in addition to the state stationing of police personnel in the area. He also adds on that there is no such notice of deployment of personnel from the area and hinted at taking consultation from the center in case a negotiation between the two states failed to produce a compromising resolution.
The border dispute state lain Nagaland state government boundary ni harapanate Sapo community organization amakana harapaneva aduna tasena sidai koina it will be wrong dispute si boundary dispute laire state amaka ina lobody house money hek lobody dei tumali na lowe madu maram sadi lowe maram di already akoi yanma tawna Chingana internationally recognized on the boundary line. Nagaland government Moigini had a personative. Some Nagiki Gum Tangana lady, but communities in Harapunaduna, Maduki community do deal town of Bahana in Nagaland government, state government Hanam Kantogi. The Manipur Appropriations Number 1 Bill 2022 be passed. The Manipur Appropriation Number 2 Bill 2022 be passed.
In another story, Manipur Assembly Speaker T.H. Satyabrata inaugurated an SBI ATM booth at Assembly Complex today. The booth has been opened specially for the members of the Assembly, staffs working at the Secretariat, and security personnel stationed at the location. The inaugural occasion was graced by Assembly Secretary K. Megajit and General Manager of SBI Northeast Circle Thangboy Lunkim. Here's what Speaker Satyabrata has to say about a newly launched ATM booth.
Membership may Ampunamata seen a kind of big and having a zip tajably, Tungusumaina banking system developed on SBI. Hazano Hona Biranga Manipur developed with the Mal on the Pusin beginning, have a zip tajabaduma, Tamjeri, other SBI was right Tangachari.
In a shocking incident, a father killed his own 6-year-old daughter and 2.5-year-old son and stabbed his wife inside his house and tried to commit suicide. The incident occurred at Changangai Maninglaikai and the Patsoi police station today at around 7 a.m. The accused father is identified as Chingtam Surjit Kumar Singh, alias Murphy, 40 years of Changangai, Maninglaikai, and is undergoing treatment at RIMS Hospital. His wife is identified as Aveshana Devi, 32 years, whom he had stabbed with a knife and has been admitted and undergoing treatment at Raj Medicity ICU. Chingtam Surjit Kumar Singh tried to commit suicide by cutting his throat with a knife. According to a report from family members, Surjit Kumar does not have any illness. However, he acts like a sociopath after the Yaosing festival. The family members also say that there were no arguments between the husband and wife or with any family members. They have been a very happy family members informed. Family members could not establish what might have been the reason behind Surjit Kumar's action. Family members appeal to the people to consult with your family members whenever any problem arises to avoid such unfortunate incident. A team of Patsoi police station rushed to the spot and took stock of the situation during the time of the incident. A case has also been registered and investigation is underway.
Pung dahar di pung taret makai mutaram ne koi timing do exactly yang hodre ado thok da wa thok sing hagwali mamangi wari da koi sumta wada akoi magi pingang koksalaga koi kanam ta mapan thok ya roi haraga thong je lonsin ki bagi oina tai paus ngahar le kan da maha ki ne pi se ka manung da gi sok la kan da khut oi thangba mati puk tu kra so e ha do so kan da I or ta ga ma te chen throk ko ma le Dumba koi mayam changdana sopan torobnina koi su koi Raj Medicity da pukatana dumba pi du ti koi laikanari ma masa nupa amaga masa nupi amaga su laibane ma ke koi nupi duna hanni nupi da sahi mari mu tangari aduga manaw nupa ngopa tuna sahi ani mu katagi angang ni yam adu hariba angang ani du su laibak thibadagi Sagi Mahaki Mapadana, Magpariba, Tang, Amadi, and Tanguma, Maika, and the Lambo. What's Aidana, Sinaragang, so dum Hamu, the Matakadum star, another shore for Holland, the Namquay. She regularly give him doesn't lay up, Mayam being in Avocado. ꯑꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯀꯨꯏꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯥꯃꯛ ꯃꯔꯐꯤ ꯁꯨꯔꯖ ꯀꯨꯃꯥꯔ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯃꯁꯥꯅ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛ ꯋꯥꯊꯣꯛꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯨꯏꯁꯥꯏꯠ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯈꯧꯔꯤꯗ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯀꯥꯗ ꯇꯥꯔꯝꯃꯤꯕ ꯊꯥꯡꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯥ ꯈꯧꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯂꯦꯞꯊꯠꯆꯕꯅꯦꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯧꯔꯤꯗꯣ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯤꯅ ꯁꯣꯛꯂꯦ ꯍꯣꯔꯦ ꯁꯣꯔꯁꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯆꯤꯜꯗ ꯌꯥꯗ ꯍꯣꯟꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯍꯨꯠꯇ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯈꯧꯔꯤꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯣꯜꯂꯝꯃꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯎꯕ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯅ ꯃꯍꯥꯛ ꯏ ꯊꯣꯛꯍꯟꯈꯤꯕꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯃꯍꯥꯛ ꯀꯥ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯀꯣꯟꯊꯪꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯥꯁꯨ ꯍꯤꯞꯄꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯣꯡꯅ ꯍꯤꯞꯄꯒ ꯂꯩꯗꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯏ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯁꯨ ꯀꯣꯟꯊꯪꯗ ꯍꯣꯁꯄꯤꯇꯥꯜꯗ ꯄꯨꯈꯠꯇꯨꯅ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁ ꯂꯥꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯁꯨ ꯔꯤꯝꯁꯇ ꯌꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯄꯥꯎꯗꯝꯗꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ
As part of a continuous drive against illicit trafficking of drugs, a team of NAB arrested 2 drug peddlers with contraband drugs while conducting surprise checking and in suspected areas in the state yesterday. The arrested persons have been identified as Tan Raymung, 21 years, son of A.S. Mahai, resident of Kamasan, Ukrul district, and A.S. Nathan, 30 years, son of late A.S. Kawung, resident of Ukrul district. According to police sources, the duo was arrested with a recovery and seizure of about 7 kg of opium from Manipur near the bus stand around 4 p.m. 2 mobile phone handsets were also seized on their production. A case has been registered with NIB police station for investigation. On preliminary verification, they both stated that they indulged in poppy cultivation in nearby hills. They brought the seized opium to Imphal to be sold in Manipur area. Further verification is going on to establish other links, the source added. Technopol Battalion under the aegis of IGAR South constructed and handed over a water supply scheme to Choktong village authorities at Choktong village in Technopol district yesterday. As part of Operation Chadbafna project, a water supply scheme was constructed by Assam Rifles at Choktong village to mitigate the problems faced by the villagers due to scarcity of water. The water supply scheme will facilitate the villagers with potable drinking water for consumption. The locals expressed their heartfelt gratitude to Assam Rifles for carrying out such beneficial projects at remote places or bordering areas in Manipur. Time for a short commercial break. More news and updates will continue after the break.
WMC is excited to announce that the third plenary session 2022 Delhi will be held on the 17th of April 2022 at Western Court, Janpat, New Delhi. This year's theme is Reawakening Our Spirit of Oneness. ELITETV is our media and channel partner. The entire event on 17th April will be telecast live on ELITETV. This event is organized by World Meitei Council. For more details, contact us on worldmeiteicouncil@gmail.com or 981-855-9349 or 991-083-6635.
Tizaraba Kwai Mayam Punamopu Ahan Bamaktada, World Meitei Council, Delhi Unit Ki Maiketaki, Koknona Kurumzari. World Meitei Council na Sinjalanja Tuna Tongan India Ki Mafam Singha Sahi Oina plenary session Lieutenant Pangtok Sarakli. Third plenary session 2022 Delhi Lagliba April Thagi Tantara Nomising Numit Chutoi Swadana New Delhi Janpat Water Laiba Western Quarter No Magioina Sa Ising Yauna Pangtok Sarakani. Reawakening or Spirit of Oneness Haibasna Handak Sahi Asiki Theme Oisagani. Dingsing Jariba third plenary session Asida Delhi Kakta Natana India Amadi Pitipiki Tongan Tong from Sinda Laiba Nusizupa Maitai Lai Guru Ahan Laman Akang Ahi Ichili now Sal Ise Satra Satri Kwaipuna Makna Matamsana Lengi Rapuna Sarukya view Mapumpan view Haina China Pausa Luxury Masika Loina na Sinja Lanja University Maikai Daki Kwai Mayam Punamaki Mapamda Yamsamateng PPU donation to you Haina so high siri Akupa Marol Kitamak Khangbininba sina phone number 9818559349 amadi 9910836635 da contact view sinna paujen jariba sida aswayangam yawbasu khwai thibina ngapiu mayambu amuka hana kok nona khurumjari
Seasonavu Yai Lifestyle Private Limited की food supplement registered under the MCA Ministry of Corporate Affairs हारिबा मखल असिगी product मंगादगी कानबा फंगबिगनी मदुदी अहानबदा Perfect Plus urinary tract infection disease kayadagi ngakthokpa ngammi control glucose levels in blood improve immunity antioxidant liver disease amadi liver shokhanbadagi ngakthoi remove toxins haksangdagi fataba sengdokpa lok laihau toina togunbadasu fali ani subada perfect glow uring amadi mahing fahanba acne scar fahanba mai nanthokhanba skin nganthokhanba kuchuk men thokhali mai khwihande hum subada perfect ionic mineral diabetes BP wangba asthma khwang naba saru sonba haksangdagi fataba sengdokpa tumbaya daba piles arthritis ising mari nuai taba anti aging khongya saba puramak fahali mari subada perfect active brain na tumbaya daba fahali kok ngawba wakal pothahanba tumbaya daba memory booster tension handhanba amusung manga subada Perfect Women Care na urinary tract infection premenstrual syndrome angang khawdana ba thagi khongkak chang nai da ba fingau ka hena chatpa vaginal infection kaya da fahan bangami Home delivery gi khudong sabasu phongbigani Hena Kupamarol Gidama Kwigi contact number 8413968314 da contact you.
Welcome back. Now more news and updates. Non-A Battalion of Assam Rifles under the aegis of Headquarters 22 Sector Assam Rifles and Inspector General Assam Rifles East organized a painting competition for children of Awankul 1 village, Non-A today. The painting competition was organized by company operating base Awankul to promote artistic creativity amongst the young minds. As part of the program, an informal lecture followed by an interactive session was also conducted wherein the students were informed about glorious history and timeless tradition of Indian Army and Assam Rifles. The event was also aimed at motivating the children to choose the right careers and curb their attraction towards insurgent groups. A total of 106 children participated in the painting competition with full gust. Prizes were also distributed to the winners of the competition. Moray Battalion under the aegis of IGAR South distributed relief material to below poverty line BPL families and widows in Holland Fai and Gamno Fai Ville and Moray yesterday. A total of 50 packages containing rice, flour, sugar and fresh vegetables were distributed among the widows and BPL families of all communities. All the beneficiaries, community leaders and village chiefs expressed their heartfelt gratitude towards the Assam Rifles for the noble cause. India recorded at least 1,660 fresh coronavirus cases in the last 24 hours, taking the total COVID-19 tally to 4,30,18,032. However, the active cases declined further to 16,741 according to the Union Health Ministry data updated today. At least 4,100 new deaths have been reported, taking the total count to 5,20,855. The total number of coronavirus cases also includes 4,24,80,436 people who have recovered and 16,741 who are currently being treated. 2,349 new recovered cases have also been reported according to data released by the Union Health Ministry today. According to the latest numbers, Maharashtra has the highest number of coronavirus cases at 78,73,231. Of these, 1,48,671 are active, 77,24,560 are recovered, and 1,47,779 have died. Kerala and Karnataka are next with 65,30,150 and 39,45,168 total COVID-19 cases respectively. Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep and Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu have the lowest number of coronavirus cases with 100 crore 32 lakh 11,402 and 11,441 respectively. India currently has a fatality rate of 1.21% due to coronavirus. The government has said that more than 70% of the people recovered from COVID-19 with mild or very mild symptoms. Such cases may not even require admission to COVID-19 blocks or dedicated hospitals, the health ministry said. Across the world, there have been a total of 47 crore 89 lakh 50,042 confirmed coronavirus cases, according to the latest update. This includes 43 crore 3 lakh 51,512 people who are being treated, 4 crore 24 lakh 80,436 who have recovered, and 61 lakh 18,094 who have died. The highest number of coronavirus cases currently is in the United States, which has registered 7 crore 99 lakh 36,777 confirmed COVID-19 cases. 9,76,505 people have died of coronavirus in the country. India and Brazil are next in line with 4 crore 30 lakh 18,032 and 2 crore 98 lakh 9,769 confirmed coronavirus cases, and 5 lakh 20,855 and 6 lakh 58,855 deaths respectively. The United Kingdom said it would provide 2 million euros or $2.6 million in vital food supplies for areas of Ukraine encircled by Russian forces following a request from the Ukrainian government. Around 25 truckloads of dried food, tinned goods, and water will be transported by road and rail from warehouses in Poland and Slovakia to local Ukrainian communities in greatest need, it added. For ELITETV News Channel, contact the email address info@elitv.in or the phone number 940-289-0982 and subscribe to ELITETV YouTube channel or follow on Facebook page, Instagram and Twitter for more information about the channel. And now the headlines once again. First session of 12th State Legislative Assembly concludes today. MLA K. Ranjit calls the attention on Sapo indefinite ban. Chief Minister assures for negotiation. Father kills own son and daughter, stabbed his wife. And India reported 1,660 new COVID-19 cases and 4,100 deaths in the last 24 hours. Well, that's all for the moment. Thanks for watching ELITETV and stay tuned at 6 p.m. for more updates.